promotion is sponsored by Bullard Homes, located in Salem, Indiana. The phone number is 812-883-1141.
I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, November 16th. NHS will be hosting a book drive. Please donate books you no longer want or need. The donation boxes are located in the junior high hallway, high school hallway, and outside of the library. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Please support HOSA Future Health Professionals. We will be selling pizza at lunch during A lunch, B lunch, and junior high lunch on November 20th. It will be $2 a slice or $16 for a whole pizza. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Tonight, girls JV and varsity basketball is traveling to Austin starting at 6. Saturday, boys basketball will be scrimmaging at Clarksville. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
For your weather today, I don't think we have any chances of precipitation as we go through your day. We could see some slight through your weekend, but that's about it. For your weather today, we have a high of 47 and a low of 34. Heading through your week on Saturday, we have a high of 49 and a low of 34. And on Sunday, a high of 51 and a low of 38. Back to you.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.